Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your phone is unlocked and supports the carrier bands. That ensures the roaming SIM can register. Once purchased, activate the SIM online and record the PIN/PUK and plan limits so you avoid lockouts. Insert the roaming SIM, remove or disable any other SIM, and reboot. Then go to Settings and enable data roaming so the device will accept foreign networks. This first setup gets you on the air immediately and prevents basic registration failures. Once done with insertion and roaming enabled, focus on APN and network selection because many failures hide there. Enter the operator's APN precisely. Mismatches block data even when you have voice. If automatic network selection stalls, manually pick a listed local operator to force registration. Make sure your preferred network type is set to LTE or 5G to get data. Disable VPN and aggressive battery savers while testing so background services don't interfere with initial connection. You finish by verifying service. Load a web page, send an SMS, and run a short data transfer to confirm throughput and billing. Once satisfied, top up or add data bundles as needed and set sensible usage alerts to avoid surprise charges. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Reboot the phone, re-enter the APN exactly, and manually select a different local operator. If that fails, confirm the SIM shows active on the operator portal, and then contact support for activation or provisioning issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.